Magandang buhay mga ka-friendship! Good afternoon! Ngayong araw na to, ang ituturo ko naman sa inyo o ang malalaman naman natin paano gumawa ng. Kasi meron akong kaibigan na pupuntahan natin ngayon, tapos ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng rose enzyme. Okay? Alis na tayo! Nandito tayo sa store, Tupperware store. Inside
have lemon and apple and rose. No water.
No water?
Yes.
Okay guys, nandito na tayo. Tuturuan tayo gumawa. Hello! Mga ka-friendship, ito na yung mga nagawa nila, oh.
Yes, so good.
This is yung mga iba-iba. How about this one? Can you tell me what's this?
This olive.
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 Yeah, I know.
This one olive.
Olive.
All
of this.
This his friend. Cook here.
Okay.
This one in neither long time.
A month or a year?
A month is okay.
Oh.
So their friend no stay home. No take
bring
home.
it over,
Bring
yeah.
home.
Just stay here.
Time okay. Take good.
How about this one? I have so many, oh.
Rose.
This is
Vinegar.
Rose vinegar. That's why you told me before, right? How about that one? That is a pear.
Apple.
Apple. And also banana also have?
A banana.
Yeah. This is a blueberry, is it?
Yeah, blue. Yes.
Yes.
So many.
How about this one?
And
This is a green apple, right? Green apple.
orange.
Orange. How about that one? Is it the peanuts? Yeah, this is the peanut. Peanuts?
Yellow peanut.
Yellow peanuts.
Yellow bean. No.
Yellow bean.
Peanut. Oh, yellow bean.
And this one is what?
This one.
Longan? Is it longan?
No. This one.
So many, oh. Guys, ang dami rito magkukuha nyo.
Yes, so many.
Yeah.
This one is a fruit. I like this one. Apple. Can
Apple.
cook.
Can cook?
Rose
wine.
Like, only this one cook like taste so good.
Oh. Mga ka-friendship, ito'y 5 kilos of fresh rose ang gagamitin sa paggawa ng rose enzymes. Talagay ulit kasi kailangan nila ng 5 kilos of fresh rose. And nilinis sila sa liquor. Ganyan. Yan, nugasan nila. Then, ilalagay nila rito. Then, lalagyan nila ulit ng sugar. Like this. Yan, nakita nyo, hinugasan. Then, lalagay dito. This ones also needs some apple, right?
Need apple?
Apple also.
Yeah.
How many pieces of apple that you need to put it here?
Apple maybe 10 kilos.
10 kilos of apples.
Yeah.
And they also put some lemon here.
Lemon here, yeah.
Also lemon. 20 pieces of lemons.
So healthy.
So, tapos ng hugasan. Then, would you believe after this, i-preserve nila ito for 1 year. So, next year ng December, tsaka lang nila pwedeng inumin to. Ganun katagal. And they told me this is very healthy. See, for 1 year. Mga ka-friendship, yung apples daw, hindi pwedeng hugasan, tanggalin lang yung balat. Kasi, i-ano nga ng for 1 year. Hindi daw pwedeng malagyan ng masig konting tubig. Kailangan nila peel off yung skin. This. Yes, that's it. Panod siya. Then, dadalhin dito, ilalagay dito. Yes, like this. Lalagay lang nila dyan.
15斤。My God, how many do you know?
How many?
Oh my God, 7 kilos.
7 kilos of this sugar?
Yes.
15斤的熬糖哦，这么贵的熬糖哦，
But this red sugar.
这就放进来，黑糖很重状啊。
3 kilos to 5 kilos. Tapos 7 kilos na itong panod siya. See, 7 kilos.
this one, man, business. This, make this one.
Guys, ayan ang itsura, oh. Bali, nilalagay na yung apple. Ayan nila, paglagay. Kinakat nila yung apple. Then, ilalagay nila dito.
弄不干好烧呀？
这这样大概都一样。
不能加皮吗？
可以加皮，但是哈，
Ayan, mga kabab-kabab.
那我们先抽。
Ang daming taong lahat nakita niyo yan.
我今天买了，你要算
Nagpapagawa
你要先抽。
niyan. Enzyme na yan.
量好了，
Yan.
他们说量好了。
Yung gusto nila gawin. Ito na guys, bali nalagyan na ng sugar.
哎，什么时候会融化啊？
Tapos after this, lalagay na yung lemon. Tapos tapos na.
你现在都没办法。
那个阿糖果条你知道吗？你不知道哈，就在大平山那边。
Finish na yung ating rose enzyme. Guys, yung tapos na siya, pero hindi pa siya pwedeng dalhin kasi kailangan magstay dito ng 1 month. Kasi isi-shake-shake pa daw to everyday. Bali yan na yun guys, yung rose enzyme. Ang cost daw nito is 3,200 RMB. It is one. Okay, thank you. I hope you like it guys. Ito mga ka-friendship, bali 3 buwan pa na ito itong naibabad 3 buwan na ito. Ito naman isa, 15 days pa lang siya. Yan yung rose wine. O paano mga ka-friendship, hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Sa ulitin, please subscribe to my channel.